current environment, we are often using telephone negotiations rather than face-to-face meetings. Do you know how to strengthen the credibility of your voice? My name is Giuseppe Conti. I am a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. Let me share with you 5 ideas that are based on science and that can help you to strengthen the credibility of your voice. Low pitch. People that speak with a low pitch are perceived as more credible versus the one that speak with a high pitch. So do make an effort, especially at the beginning of a meeting, to lower your pitch. Falling intonation. What I mean with falling intonation is that at the end of a sentence, your voice should go down. The opposite is having a raising intonation, which means that as you make your point, you go up, I want to have this, and I want to have that, and I want to have that. This may be irritating to the other person and may decrease your credibility. Avoid hesitations. All the I see, actually, I mean that we tend to put into our message. The science tells us that up to 5 hesitations per minute, it's okay. If you have more than 5, then it certainly weakens your credibility. Use chunking or make small sentences. What I mean with chunking is that you should cut your messages in short pieces of information. The science tells us that our short-term memory can keep only 7 units of information plus or minus 2. So only between 5 and 9 pieces of information. If our message is too long, our short memory cannot capture it and then it doesn't pass it to the long-term memory. So the trick is to use chunking to cut your message in small pieces. Check Barack Obama on YouTube, he's a master of chunking. Slow down. Imagine a situation where you went to see the CEO of your company or a senior vice president. You were stressed. When you went to meet the senior executive, you started to talk very fast because they're very busy and you wanted to tell them as much as possible. Guess what? Your credibility went down. To be more effective, a slow to medium speed is more effective. 5 key ideas to strengthen the credibility of your voice. Have a low pitch, use falling intonation, avoid hesitation, use chunking, and slow down. For more insights on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.